Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. We discuss the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. Every week, we bring 3 key ideas to you as surfaced across the network. These tend to be small and mid caps, large caps, as well as core thematics. At the end of the week, we make video recordings of these ideas and post them on our YouTube channel. This would allow you to revisit them at your own time and pace, share them with friends, and also revisit old ideas. In today's forum, we will revisit PC Partner, which was an idea furnished almost 18 months ago at one of our earlier forums. We will then look at 111's opportunistic bid from the co-founders, and finally, we will look at the case for the Indian stock market. Let's begin by PC Partner. The ticker is 1263 Hong Kong. This is a small cap company with a market cap shy of $500 million US. It has been covered closely by Nick Van Broekhoven on the platform. And as you can see from the chart on the right-hand side, this is a stock that did extremely well at the first part of the year and since has come off quite a long way. For those of you who are not familiar, PC Partner designs and manufactures video graphics cards. It had a very strong first half results, and management does not see significant impact from the US-China NVIDIA AI situation, despite what is in the press headlines. We notice that the third quarter results from the company are likely to be weak, as the company is being forced to clear old inventory, which is being discounted in front of NVIDIA's new model launches. Nick feels that the stock is unlikely to rally until more clarity is achieved on this inventory situation. Meanwhile, the company is very well supported by net cash, which is almost 5.4 Hong Kong dollars per share, as well as the high interim dividend yield of 11.4%. Moving on to 111, the ticker is YIUS. This is listed in the US and is a small cap stock. What does 111 do? They operate online retail drugstores and a healthcare platform in China. We notice that the co-founders have put together a privatization proposal at $3.66 per share. This privatization should be a done deal as the co-founders hold almost 92% of voting power. The offer price means it still trades at a very deep 85% discount to the median of its peers. The offer price is also 74% below the IPO price. We would be looking to buy any weakness in this stock given this particular situation. Finally, in our core thematic section, we will look at the case for India. This is an insight produced by PK Basu, who is a macroeconomist on the platform. PK is very bullish on India and he sees the country on a path of investment-led growth. Amidst the global deceleration, India's real GDP grew 13.5% in the second quarter of the year. Actual growth remains underestimated because of errors in deflators for GDP and net exports. Fiscal deficit grows only 6% as tax revenue continued to surge. As government's market borrowings declines, PK feels this will crowd in even more private investment. This would imply that real GDP growth will grow at about 8% in FY23 despite the global slowdown, which means the case to remain overweight remains. For all this and more, please visit the Smartkarma platform, where you can also post discussions and interact directly with our insight providers. Thanks very much for your time and speak to you next week.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.